A cherry pit, Princess. Correct. And what day is this? It is the day of your coronation. Yes, it is. So please, tell me why, on the most important day of my life, you've decided to leave a pit in my cherry? It wasn't a decision. It was just a small mistake. Small? Do you realize what could have happened if I hadn't sensed the pit in time? I suppose you could have choked? Yes. Then you understand the severity of the crime. I understand, Princess. Oh, very well. Since it is a special day, I will show. You are banished. Leave this palace immediately. What are you looking at? I have 2 feet that need scrubbing. And make sure you get in between the toes. I won't have my first day of Fire Lord marred by poor foot hygiene. It's weird to say, but the comet actually looks beautiful. Too bad the Fire Lord's about to use it to destroy the world. We're taking off too. Where's the closest airship?
Shadow, you crazy boy. You're so crazy.
You said first, Princess? Is everything all right?
Actually, everything's not all right. Do you know how long it took you to get here?
A few minutes, I guess.
5, to be precise. In which time an assassin could have snuck in, done a deed, and been on his merry way.
My apologies, Princess.
Is this how you plan to treat your new Fire Lord? With tardiness and disloyalty?
The Daily would never betray you.
And I'm sure that's just what you told Long Feng before you turned against him and joined me. You're all banished.
But
Goodbye.
Shadow. You. Look at you.
Send in the next group.
You crazy boy. You crazy boy. You're so crazy. You're crazy. What are you doing? God. What are you doing? Shadow's crazy. Shadow's crazy.
Done.
good work, Toph. Time to take control of the ship. Take the wheel.
That's a great idea. Let the blind girl steer the giant airship.
I was talking to Suki.
That would make a lot more sense. What are we gonna do about the rest of the crew?
Take us down closer to the water. I've got an idea.
Hey.
Attention, crew. This is your captain speaking. Everyone, please report to the bomb bay immediately for hot cake and sweet dreams. We have a very special birthday to celebrate.
Are you getting all warmed up, buddy boy?
He's going crazy.
Yeah?
He's going crazy.
I work up in communications. Oh, hi. I work down in the engine room. That's probably why we never met before. Big answers, you know? Yep. So, do you know whose birthday it is? I can't believe the captain
Shadow, look here. Hi.